There's one of them, now there's two of them, and they're kind of moving together. You can't see the one on the left that much, but it's moving very slowly. And they were bright. They were really bright. And then it faded out for a bit. Now they're just kind of moving side by side. You can see that there. I've seen this before over there. Weird. Very weird. Yeah, see? Just moving slowly, side by side. That is wild. Look at that. You know, planes don't do that. Helicopters, no. I'm zoomed in as far as I can get here. Even when I got up there a little bit more, it went that much better. What is it about that area? No, they're kind of moving apart.